We've got a couple cold beverage vessels that we're going to engrave. So, going to do a couple of those steins, and then also we got a couple of these little trivets, whatever, little glass plates that we got at the dollar store that we're going to do something with, and also my beer mug, excuse me, my coffee mug. Also my coffee mug that just give it a new image. There used to be some permanent vinyl on there that I had on there for quite a while. So when I'm doing stainless, I use dry moly lube. That tends to work very well with the diode laser. The chemicals in it kind of mark the stainless, mark the image on there. So I'm not going to take you through the full setup and everything on the laser, but we'll do just kind of bits and pieces to show you what I do. But then with the glass, I'm going to be using a airbrush. I've seen some people using sponge brushes and that with temper paints, and it's really hard to get an even coat on the glass with sponge brushes and other items. So we have an airbrush and just thin down the temper paint, and we'll use that to spray all this glass items and etch those. So the diode laser actually needs some kind of how do I want to say it? You need either paint or tape. You can use painter's tape to make your etch, but then you've got to weed or take all of that tape off, especially on intricate designs. You have a lot of little pieces of tape and whatever. So temper paint, water soluble. So when I get done doing my engravings, I just put it in the sink with like an eraser type sponge, magic eraser, and wash it off, and it works really well. So I'll go ahead and get everything sprayed up and show you what everything looks like, and get the laser. Hey everybody! So like we said, we were gonna bring you along on some of the laser projects. So this is the coffee mug that I showed earlier, black painted, and we're going to put on a little design that I came up with.
What kind of paint did you use?
This is not painted. This came coated. So we're just going to set it down in here. I've got tape on it, painter's tape, so I can run a test print first, so I know I've got everything laid out correct, because one of the problems that I've noticed is getting everything turned correctly using the rotary. Rotary is a little bit more difficult to use. So I'll get this set in here and get it leveled out. Like that. Okay, so I need to get the height set, the focal point for the laser set. Put the little kickstand down, get it to where it needs to be. Now, need to make sure everything's lined up correctly, so I just kind of fire the laser and get everything lined up. With where I want my image. And I'm going to do a test frame. So therein lies the problem that I have ran into. One of the things I did not do is enable the rotary and set the rotary for the right revolutions and diameters and all of that. So get that set, reset this. Reset my laser. And do a test frame again. Right, so did my test run. This is what it looks like. You can see it. So I think I've got my positioning set. I'll go ahead and reset up and show you the process of burning. Be right back. Hey everybody. All right, so got everything set back up in the container with the rotary. Got everything all set up. Sorry about the noise for right now. It'll quiet down when I get ready to go start it. But we'll go ahead and get it started. All right, hey everybody. So got the mug lasered and cleaned up, and here is the final result. So put down in the comments what you think, how you like it, and we'll show you more later on. Do another laser video at some point in time. All right. Thanks for joining. Take care.